According to the World Bank, 47% of Nigerians do not have access to grid electricity and face regular power cuts. Starsight offers both off-grid and hybrid on-grid energy solutions to commercial and industrial clients in Nigeria and Ghana, securing 99% uptime without any upfront asset costs.
The market opportunities across Africa are enormous. 90% of power in Nigeria is delivered via diesel or gas. What we're trying to do is we're trying to move the thinking in the marketplace that renewables can be cost-effective and reliable. Starsight provides all of the capital to move people from hydrocarbons to a green energy solution. Our business operates with a 100% Nigerian national workforce, and we're very proud of that fact.
The 100 kilowatt system is for paradise fisheries in Tema, and the system is able to take care of up to 95% of their consumption during the peak sunshine hours.
The funding that has been presented by Norfund was the first major debt funding that came into our business. And what that enabled was Starsight to be in front of the market. We didn't have to go out and win work and then try to find funding. And that enabled us to write large contracts across the country, knowing exactly when we could deliver because we'd already agreed debt terms with Norfund.
Starsight's vision is to expand to East Africa and over the next 5 years grow into a 200 to 300 megawatt business, delivered with renewable energy.